come into your mat and sit into any comfortable position. Namaste everyone. Focus on your breath and stay there for a few breaths. Then come into tabletop position. Focusing on your breath. Inhale into cow. Exhale into cat. We'll do it few more times. Inhale up and exhale. Suck your belly in and try to look into your stomach. Exhale, chest open, look straight out. Then exhale, back to cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, back. Inhale, cat. Exhale. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Into tabletop. Then exhale, downward facing dog. Focus on your breath and stay there for a few more breaths. Try to listen the rhythm of your breath and connect yourself with your breath. Then slowly lift your right leg high up into the sky and bring. Exhale. Then inhale and exhale. Hold there for a few breaths. Focus more and more into your breath and try to feel the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, center, exhale, twist and hold there. Chest open, focus on your breath. Remember, whenever you will inhale, your stomach should go out, while exhalation, it should come in. Focus only on your breath and let the energy flow into your whole body. You stay there for a few more breaths. Then back to center, inhale and exhale, press and hold there. Inhale, exhale, then inhale here, exhale back to downward facing dog. After this we'll do vinyasa flow. Inhale and exhale, slowly go down and come back into cobra. Inhale, downward facing dog, exhale. We'll do the same process with the alternate side. Inhale, lifting your leg high up, bringing inhale on top of the mat and exhale. Inhale here and exhale, press, hold there for a few more breaths. Focus only on your breath and remember what I said before. While inhale, your stomach should go out, while exhalation, it should come in. Focusing only on your breath. Try to listen the rhythm of your breath and inhale back to center, exhale, twist. Chest open and hold there for a few more breaths. Inhale and exhale calmly and gently. Be gentle with your body and don't force your body. Be patient with yourself. Enjoy the moment. Release the posture back to center. Inhale and exhale, press. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale, then inhale up and exhale back to downward facing dog. Stay there for a few breaths and we'll do vinyasa flow. Inhale, then slowly exhale, going down, and inhale cobra. Back to downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale on top of the mat. Inhale. Tug out your toes. Hold there for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale normally. Then tug in and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale normally. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Then inhale high up into the sky and exhale back to downward facing dog. We'll do vinyasa from here. Inhale and exhale, go down slowly and inhale into cobra. Then exhale into downward facing dog again. Focus on your breath and we'll do it from alternate side. Inhale up, exhale on top of the mat and there, inhale. Exhale, inhale, 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 You can hold your breath in any position. Focus on your breath. Exhale. Inhale front. Exhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up and exhale, downward facing dog. From here we'll do vinyasa flow. Inhale and exhale slowly while going down, and inhale into cobra. Back exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale up. Exhale and inhale here. Back leg 45 degree. Hold there. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale normally. Then exhale. Back like 90 degree. Focus on your breath and stay there for a few more minutes or seconds, up to you. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale normally. Inhale and twist. Hold there for a few breaths. Be gentle with yourself. Inhale and exhale calmly and gently. Inhale back to center and exhale, press. Inhale, warrior one, exhale. Inhale and exhale back to downward facing dog. We'll do vinyasa flow here. Inhale and exhale. Then inhale back to cobra. And exhale into downward facing dog. And we'll do the same process with our alternate leg. Inhale up. Exhale on top of the mat. Inhale. Warrior one, back leg 45 degree. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale normally. Stay there for a few seconds. Inhale here and exhale, press. Hold this posture for a few seconds. Back leg 90 degree. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale normally. Then inhale, center, exhale, twist. Hold there. Find your comfortable position. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale normally. Be gentle with yourself and your body. Inhale, center, exhale, press. Hold there. Then inhale into warrior one, like 45 degree. Hands down, exhale, inhale. And exhale, downward facing dog. From here we'll do vinyasa flow. Inhale while going down. Exhale and slowly inhale up into cobra. And exhale into downward facing dog. Focus on your breath and slowly go into child pose and take a rest and take few breaths in this position. Focus into your breath and let the energy flow into your whole body system. Relax your body. Focus more and more into your breath. Whenever you will inhale, your stomach should go out, while exhalation, it should come in. Focus more and more into your breath. And after that, back to relaxed position. Namaste everyone.